Hi there. Today I'd like to share with you this great maths puzzle, and the object of this puzzle is to find the missing number in the middle of the puzzle, which is represented by the question mark. Now we're presented with in this puzzle 3 rows of numbers. And yeah, then obviously you've got to find that missing number in the middle of the puzzle. So just to go through those 3 rows then, we've got 4, 6, 4, 7, 3, 7, 8, question mark, 8, 7, and finally 3, 2, 5, 1, 4. Now if you want to think about this puzzle and perhaps work out what the answer is, then click on the pause button. Otherwise, I'm going to go straight into the answer. And the answer then is that it's merely the top number added with the bottom number gives you the number that's in the middle. So you can see there 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8, 7 plus 1 equals 8, 7 plus 1 equals 8, and then 3 plus 4 equals 7. So then the number that we are looking for then, that in the middle of this puzzle that's missing, is the number 9, because 4 plus 5 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.